fucking nickeling and diming ourselves. Top level constant macros. This is a new kind Pix 512 for a RGBA 512 by 512 bitmap uncompressed. In the Filemob section, we have this dat hash function that verifies that this input is correct. We've added this new kind to this list of checks here. Will crash if it's not valid. Then down here in the Filemob binary array to pixel array function, we have added a section inside the decode this shit section. So if we do have an error when we try to run the decode function, we're gonna say this right here, and then we're going to log the actual error message from the library. Then we're gonna log the byte length. So both of these should be the same exact number, got PNG and number of bytes PNG. They should have the same exact value in terms of their number. And then in Filemob local save, in this copy memory into 512 by 512 section, we have tagged MP0512 as a 512 by 512 uncompressed pixel array, and the number of bytes in an uncompressed 512 by 512 is going to be 512 times 512 times 4, because there are 4 bytes per pixel in an uncompressed RGBA image. God fucking damn it. Local load. Inside of local load, inside of this condition here, where the type of the memory is the correct type. The type of the memory is the correct type. We're going to log out the binary array length. And then if it's less than 42, we're going to log out what's wrong. We're going to say, hey, here's the number of bytes we have in MP1. Here's the binary array length. Both of these values should be the same. And we're going to yell at the user, but we're not going to crash because it might be just that the user gave us bad data. And so this is still the same. We're just wrapping it in this look before you leap here, and then we're ending this section here. Then down here, this is the last thing. So if the pixel array is not exactly 512 by 512, so maybe we decoded it and we got a bigger or smaller image, or the decode may have just failed, right? This decode, if it fails, will return 0 for this, and either one of those cases is going to get us into here. We're going to log the number of bytes that we got, we're going to yell at the user, and we're going to log an error message. And we already kind of went over that, but okay, here's what we did previously, here's all our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. We got to get out of here. So you can get the source code here, you are on this playlist, and blah, 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 blah. Let's fucking get out of here.